Hello traders, welcome back to today's video on the MATrader AI MT5. It's listed as free on the MKO5 market. Focus on gold USD, and the developer pushes it hard as a precision gold system with neural networks and dynamic cycle trading. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now let's walk through what the developer actually claims on the page. They say the EA was tested for 4 years before release and is optimized for gold USD on the M1 timeframe with standard settings. The core idea is that it follows the higher timeframe trend, and because gold has been in a long-term uptrend, the robot primarily trades buy only. It also handles corrections and downside moving through its grid and hedge logic. You can see here. Now they talk a lot about AI-driven neural network entries for precision timing, thus proprietary MAT algos for elite entry points. There's also dynamic cycle trading with customizable grid. The live signal they link shows roughly 20% growth over 13 weeks. Let's go over to it. You can see here a profit factor of 1.44, around 68% winning trade, all long positions, average hold time of 1 hour, and hundreds of trades per week. Now the balance drawdown on the account sits around 14%, but equity drawdown reaches about 60%. They stress that to match those results, you need a RoboForex Cent account using the KXTL code, so you can trade micro lots down to 0.0001 and get tighter spreads. Bit of a restriction if you ask me. And so your critical setup for proper functionality. Now let's go over to its features. They claim to have a trading panel, manual trading option, grid trading toggle, one click close, neural precision like they mentioned earlier, mount algos, dual engines, switch between two unique strategies, and so on. You can read all this on your free time. Or if you decide that the EA's result is what you want. Now let's go over to the backtest results. And before you do that, let's see, open a RoboForex Cent account, attach the AI to gold M1, default settings, and let's move forward. Let's go over to my results. So you can see gold USD on the M1 time frame over a period of 1 year from August 2025 to August 2026 with a 10k starting deposit. 1:100 average. And let's move over to the historical results. Now for speed, I use open price only as every tick based on real tick was time consuming. So only open price. Let's go forward. You can see historical results came in at a net loss of $9,000, close to $9,500. Our profit factor was under 1 at 0.65. Our win rate looked strong, a bit deceiving at 91%. However, profit trades, which is the largest one, 125, compared to the largest loss at 784, significantly higher than the largest profit. Same with the average. You can see it over here. The measly $3 compared to the average loss of $50. Moving over to the equity, we see it's very high at 97, almost the whole count. Balance drawdown 97, equity drawdown 97, approximately 98. That's almost 100%. And let's go over to the curve, and then I'll tell you what I think about this EA. The equity curve started with a slow climb. You can see if we use this baseline over here, you can see slowly climbing up over time. So the equity dropped thousands of dollars, at one point approaching a full wipe before partial recovery here, and again over here where it dropped to almost the entire account, and then rose again and fell, and our balance joined it falling also, with our deposit load reaching 428% at the end. If you notice, the EA didn't run the full year as we got wiped out at the fourth month. And we notice our consecutive wins stretched into the hundreds, but consecutive loss reached over 40 trades. You can see here, and wiped more than $24,000 in that stretch. You can see our consecutive profits 838 with 6,994 or $95, way below the consecutive loss count of $24,700. Now comparing that to the developer's claim, a high win rate, and long only buyers match what they describe. The live signals equity drawdown of 60% already shows the same character as the big swing in the historical test. The grid and recovery logic can keep most trades green until deeper correction or volatility spike arrives, and that's when the equity takes the real hit. And these results are based purely on historical performance, so past numbers don't guarantee future ones, especially with different spreads, slippage, or market conditions. Honestly, this is a classic long bias grid recovery system on gold. And who is this actually for? If you are an experienced trader who understands gold grid risk, can fund a proper cent account with a recommended gold, keep loss tiny, and monitor the equity closely, you might find this useful. But if you need smooth curves, trade on other brokers, or have limited capital, this style usually isn't the right fit. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more EA reviews, and drop a comment telling me which robots you want me to test next. Don't forget to check the free robots link in the description. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.